back again, my friends. First of all, my name is Beslin Petrus Samenta Stompul. My student ID number is 20030500049. This time I will give you an explain about student learning strategies for developing speaking ability that have been written by Sofyan Agani, Dian Fajrina, and Rizaldi Hanifa. First is introduction. In this age of globalization, English has increasingly become the medium in every domain of communication, both in local and global context. As a result, there is demand for speakers who can use English effectively in every country. English is called the international language and is also the second language of many countries in the world. In Indonesia, English is considered a foreign language, for it is a language studied in an environment where it is not the primary means for daily interaction and the use of the language is restricted. Even though English is said to be difficult to learn and use, it keeps attracting people to learn it. This time the objective that the writers do. The first is, what are the learning strategies used by learners with low performance in speaking to improve their speaking abilities? The second is, what are the learning strategies used by learners with high performance in speaking to improve their speaking abilities? And accordingly, the research objectives in this study are to find out the learning strategies used by learners with high and low speaking performance to develop their speaking ability. The review of literature. Speaking. Speaking is an ability to orally express opinions, thoughts, facts, and feelings to other people, animals, and even to oneself. And according to Nunan, speaking is a productive oral skill which consists of constructing systematic verbal utterance to convey meaning in a slightly different statement. In speaking, the students learn how to organize ideas, arrange sentences, and express language in spoken form with good pronunciation and comprehensible language. The second is language learning strategies. The defines of learning strategies as techniques, a process or deliberate action that students take in order to facilitate the learning and recall of both linguistic and content area information. Appropriate language learning strategies result in improved faster language proficiency. Brief. Learning strategies can be seen as special ways of processing information that are used by learners to improve comprehension, learning, or retention of the information. Learners have to recognize the power of consciously using language learning strategies in order to make learning quicker, easier, more effective, and more efficient. And the last is and more fun. The last is classification of language learning strategies. The categorize language learning strategies into three main groups. First is learning strategies, second communication strategies, and the last is social strategies. Learning strategies include all strategies that are directly related to learning or cognitive, or those which indirectly involve the learning process or metacognitive. Cognitive strategies involve the direct manipulation of learning techniques, example gracia, repetition, translation, education, etc. The final group of strategies involves socio-affective strategies which deal with social transaction and social activities. This time I will give you an explain of the writer's methodology. The interviews were done in Indonesia. The responses were transcribed and translated into English. The subjects were asked 5 questions, namely, first is, what do you do to improve your pronunciation? Second is, what do you do to improve your vocabulary? The third is what do you do to make grammar better? Fourth, what do you do to improve your fluency in speaking? And the last is what do you do to improve your comprehension in speaking? So the producer for the data analysis for this research study was as follows. The first, after collecting the documents from the teachers, the writers note and categorize the student with high or low speaking performance to identify the subjects for this research. The second is the data from the questionnaires and the interviews was gathered and translated into the target language. Third, the data were further coded to classify the learners or the learning strategies. Questionnaire and interviews were described in the form of narrative, and finally, the sixth step was to draw brief conclusion of the research findings. The findings from the questionnaire, the writers categorized the results into the two levels of learners. Learners with low performance in speaking saw low rates concerning cognitive strategy with an average of 3.07, followed by affective strategy with an average of 3.20, and memory strategy with an average of 3.40, and metacognitive strategy also with 3.40. This could be interpreted as sometimes or used. Finally, the rate for social strategy with an average 3.50 and compensation strategy with an average of 3.60 could be interpreted as usually or used. On the other hand, the result obtained from the high speaking performance students show an average of 3.50 for effective strategy and average of 4.05 for memory strategy and average of 4.06 for cognitive strategy and average of 4.06 for compensation strategy and average of 4.10 for social strategy and an average of 4.30 for metacognitive strategy. These numbers show that the high performance learners usually use all the learning strategies mentioned in SELL. And the discussion. The results indicate the high speaking performance students seems to be more aware of their language needs. Thus, they tended to utilize strategies that would help them master to target language through practicing, reasoning, and analyzing, as well as strategies that allow them to control their own learning through planning strategies and evaluating results. Moreover, these learners spend a great deal of time exercising to get control over their emotion and attitudes through increasing their motivation levels. The conclusion of the writers. The research findings show that high speaking performance students use more learning strategies compared to those with low speaking performance. These are some of the learning strategies employed mostly by high speaking performance students. First is listening English songs or audio that are cognitive. Second is watching English movies, as is cognitive too. The third is reading English books or novels, cognitive and metacognitive. Reciting songs lyrics, cognitive and metacognitive. Analyzing English articles and reviewing lessons, cognitive. Practicing with friends, social and metacognitive. Talking to themselves in English, metacognitive. Using synonyms in English, compensation. And the last is repeating words or sentences with their conversation partners to achieve better understanding. There are compensation too. In addition, they were more aware and more creative using these strategies which made them more successful